Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and installing one essential tool, Mendeley Desktop and the Mendeley Site plugin. Open Mendeley and sync your library so references are current. This matters because unsynced entries won't appear in Docs. Once done, open Google Docs in Chrome and verify you're signed into the correct Google account. If using Mendeley Site for Word only, install the browser extension or enable the Google Docs-compatible citation tool. This prepares everything for inserting citations directly into your document. You place the cursor and call Mendeley Site from the Add-ons menu or toolbar. This is how you query your synced library inside Docs. Search by author, title, or year to find the correct item, then select it. Make sure metadata like page numbers and edition are accurate because Mendeley uses those fields when generating citations. Choose the citation style, APA, Chicago, etc. and insert, because Mendeley builds both in-text citations and a references list. Keep working through the document and add each source as you write. You finish by inserting the bibliography generated by Mendeley Site. Place it where your reference list belongs and update it after any added citations. If a citation looks wrong, edit the references metadata in the Mendeley Desktop app, then sync so the corrected fields propagate to Docs. This fixes formatting and missing details. If citations stop appearing or the add-on errors, reauthorize access, reload the document, or reinstall the plugin. These steps resolve most connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.